4 lines. You can do it 2 lines. Here's 2 lines, one out to the left, one out to the right. What you do with this, you do this, and there you have the tag. Now this over here is the same thing as in Matrix, this as in the Tetris. This one over here, or the same thing as this one over here in Tetris, and this one over here in Tetris. It's the big one. Here's the small one, the in-between, but I have to stay on the lines. Here's the short one. I have to stay on the lines. So in order to box in this piece over here, okay, in order to box in this piece, I now have to draw this. It will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It'll give me 14 on the outside and 4 on the inside. It's always going to be 18, all the pieces. So now if I want to box this in, do you notice it's offset between these two corners? The same thing as if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's not count 3. Let's not count 7. We're going to count it, but it's going to be on the outside of the block. It's going to be on the outside of the block. So this is the way this will be done. And in order to surround this, we can't go down here. We have to go down here. And we have to go all the way over here. All the way over here. We come up here and come here. So to design the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's now 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, the skull bones on the inside, which is a total of 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Automatically 1 and 2 is 3. There is no other 3. It's always 1 and 2 is 3. And then 4, 1, 1. And then 4, 2, 1. 12, 21. And then 4 again. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. This is your vibration jail. This is your 9. This is the way it works. Now, in order to box this in, we would have to find the center to this. So there is no center to this. We'd have to make this even larger to make a center, just like we did here, because there's a center, but here there's no center. I would have to double the size of this. So I would have to go 5, 5, 5, 5. I would have to go 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 8, 9 in order to do it. Then I would have to come here, and I'd have to come down over here. Over here. Then I would have to come down over here. Then I would have to go up over here. 5 and 6 come together. 5 and 6 come together. And I would work it this way. This way would work this way. And obviously we can see that I'm going to have to put all of the 5s in the center. Why do I put the 5s in the center? Because this 5 over here is what would be 2 over towards 6. 2 over towards 6 would be 2, 4, 6. This would now say 2, 6, 5. 3 and 5 equals to the average of 4. Your 3 is now inside 5. 9, 8, 6, 8. Over here would be 7. Now your 7 is inside 5. Your 7 is inside 5. Your 9 is inside 5. Your 1 is inside 5. This is the way. So now if you want to find out the center of this, 2 below, 2 above, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, excuse me, now we need to go 3, and now we can go here, and now we've entrapped the Budweiser bow tie inside this design over here. This is the way it has to be done, and at the same time, this will be your swastika. This is half of a hat from a playing card. The light goes in. The light comes in on that angle. It goes in on one side and comes out. Goes in towards the 1 and comes out towards the 9. And then somehow, whatever we do down in our life, we complement our life from what comes in from the outside. We complement it. And there's also a reverse. Back up through 5 again. In and out of 5. I'm not sure 100%. If I had a system, if somebody showed me their system, I can show them how this works. So this would be on this side. And the question is, can I do it the other way? The other way, this is open. 2, 3, 6 equals 11. 11 equals 19 and 11. 30 is creation. What is this corner over here? 7, 11, 12. This corner over here is 15 and 13 is 28. This is the cycle, 28 and 12. Left wing with the cycle of 28 and the moon. And do you understand what I'm saying? Once you come into life, now you can run this. Once you come into life, now you can have a return in creation. Now you can have the gateway to think. You come here, the gateway to think, and back in, the gateway to think. And when you go through number 5, you're using both sides inside of 5. So 5 breaks into everything. And this 5 over here becomes the moon. Instead of it being 5, the moon angle where 5, 5, 5 is will actually say 3, 7, 6, and 4 to the moon. 1 would go over here, 4 would go over here, 4 would go over here, 7 would be here, 8, 8, 9, 6, 6, 3, 2, 2, 1. This 6 and 4, and this is your moon cycle. 3 and 7, 6 and 4 over here. So this is the way, instead of having 5, 5, 5, now I replace it with the ring on the moon, because that's what we go through. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.